Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a video if you ever go to jail, how to get out of your handcuffs. So as you can see this little thingy right here, you pull down on that thing and you come free and you just do it on the other arm. I would suggest you do this one first because it's easier with this hand. And it's really easier, I swear. Look, let me put it on. Can't find the thing. Disconnection. Very bad. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Now, as you can see, you take this hand and you turn, and I'm showing you guys, but you take it, you unclip it. And it's easy to do it with this hand to get off for this one. And then you do it like that. And voila, I'm free. The handcuffs may make some marks, but guess what? That's okay. That's really okay. See, now you have now you have it. The easiest way to get out of handcuffs if you ever go to jail. Thank you for watching. Adios, amigos.